So far so good. It's quite large. It's around the sort of 2 meter mark, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay. There's 2 pieces of it. Yeah. Just fell off. Oh yeah. Got it. Oh good. Yeah, so here's some pieces here I just brought them in. So since that video, we did this one here. Plus,
that one was done on the KiwiFil.
I think it was printed in that way. So Vert had some supports under it. It worked out to be the quickest way. I think it was. I'm thinking about 12 hours of printing. And
yeah.
It's got a 10%, a 10 millimeter infill, and there's another piece that we did on the K1, I think it was.
Yeah, it was the K1 one.
Yeah, so there's more parts.
So there was 2 different filaments on it.
Yeah, so was this Hyper PLA? Yeah, this is
Hyper
PLA.
that one, yeah.
And whereas this one is PLA Pro. Is what the difference is on those ones. But yeah, I think there's a 3%, at 3% with an adaptive qubit. I think is what we do, right?
Yeah. So that's coming along nicely.
So it's coming along, yeah. Yeah, it's good. And that's straight now, so it's good. There you go. You got your feet facing straight up and down, as you can see. Yep. I think I'll put you into this view. Happy RC joins us. Hey dude, how's it going? Pretty bright out here, isn't it? Alright. It is very bright. I'll just change this one, hopefully it's a better view. There we go. Yeah. Robert says he did a 1.6 meter Beechcraft model 18, and it took me 126 hours of printing, and you guys are going to have a lot of hours of printing ahead of you still. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, there's a lot of printing to go. Yeah, it's just one of those things like you know yourself. It's not going to do it itself. You just got to chip away at it, right? You're not going to get there straight away, but yeah, it'll get there. It'll get there. Thanks very much for joining the feed, guys. And we've got 2 live streams at the moment: YouTube vertical and YouTube horizontal. YouTube. Yeah, so we've got 2 views just like last time.
But we're having trouble with that.
I'm having trouble because it's so hot at the moment that my phone was actually overheating. So if that happens again, we're just anyone that's anywhere that can just jump over the horizontal. That seems to be a bit more out of the sun. But yeah, it's pretty warm basically. Okay, so what's the next thing we're going to do here?
What's the next plan?
What's the next plan?
Okay, so have we done both feet?
Yeah, both feet are pretty straight, as you can see. I changed to a big screen so you can see it.
Oh yeah. Big screen? Oh yeah, it's a bit better. So yes, that's good. And what else can we see? So what was the next part? Was the very thing.
Yeah, I guess you're
and
right.
Make this.
Yeah, that's what it is. But yes, it can be quite sad when it doesn't go. Reprint that section if it goes wrong, or just we've just done a little initial test, and now we are continuing on.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
It's very hot, apparently. Hot.
Is it still hot? Okay. Anyway. Okay, so what are you going to do? You're going to make these stabilizers bigger now?
What's that?
Are you going to make the stabilizers bigger? What's your plan?
Yeah, we can make them bigger, slightly, yeah. We'll do it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we've got some cardboard foam board here. We can do some more cutting.
Happy RC says they should make biodegradable PLA for it. Okay. Robert says, does the WINGSUIT guy have any control surfaces at all? He has just underneath, just the underneath side. On the top side, we were debating whether we should add things like flaps and things like that. It was just a debating thing on this particular design. We were thinking about adding them back here. We may do them in the future, but no, not at this stage, no. On the other designs, what would be another one?
Which one?
I grabbed the Mark II.
Mark II?
Yeah, Harry's running around in the background there. With the Mark II design, it does have those things, so that's why we want it to be a little bit different for the Mark III. Yeah, so with the Mark II, you can articulate the arms and go up and...
Okay. Not necessarily either. What we doing? Okay, this is the Mark II, but yes, it's got his backpack on there, and very traditional to what, very accurate of what a normal wingsuit is like. Yes, it's the plan. And so he's got the FPV, you can see on his head there. But yeah, he's got his head there, and yeah, he's he's getting ready to get his meat, so they get slightly biased. So he's a full scan of me, but also wingsuiting specialist. So talking to those guys, we designed this one. So we'll be carrying on with this guy, and he will be test flying in the tunnel, and then if there's any modifications, we'll be going out doing it. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Yep. I'll pop this one over, Richard. There's a couple of comments.
Oh yeah. What's the comment?
Unless it's required for this.
Happy RC says, I have an old foamy fly guy hanging from my garage ceiling. He's about 5 foot or so. Yeah, we're doing it. That's cool, man. There's some good stuff out there that people have come up with for sure. Nice. Yeah, no, there's some good stuff. It's kind of cool what people can come up with. One of the ones that I was impressed with was, not to be sort of like biased or too much or whatever, but when we did the rocket Ironman launch, the second one,
Okay.
yeah, when we did the second one, it, you can go back and check it if you like, but it was totally amazing. The second time we had it all vertical, all in streamline, right? The rocket engine booster was behind him, and it just, yeah.
As long as he didn't add the rocket booster at the bottom, but very cool.
Yeah, that's good. And Robert says, I have a Superman.
Cool. You have to send a photo to us. How do we get it then? Or a video? How do we see that?
You can send it on a community chat on the post on YouTube, or you can. We're on Instagram.
It's one of those things where I don't know the person, and so that'll straighten that up. Did you want to just pop in there and test it now, or do you want to go straight to the next one?
I guess we do it miles well. Small test, right?
Small test. Yeah. Why not? Make it a bit more of an interaction thing. Yeah. Okay.
So
yeah. Bit more scientific, right?
Yeah. Well, they say you're not meant to change too much in one go.
They do say that. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're going to go and do that. Okay. Oh, I'll plug this in. Yeah.
Okay. I was using the hot glue gun, so I didn't plug it.
Oh, no big deal.
You all good?
It's very warm apparently, which is strange because it's been raining.
Yeah. So
like
the moment,
even today it rained.
So at the moment we've got heat shields behind the equipment. It's kind of interesting. Me and a couple of guys from the club put them together on one evening in the.
Yep. Yep. I think we're all good. Have you got your power on?
I haven't plugged it in.
Problem with the tunnel?
Okay, tunnel time.
What's going on with you?
Okay,
Do we change the camera over?
yeah.
Alright, we change this camera over. Oh no, the camera's over, we just need to turn it a bit more. This one.
Yeah,
That one, that's the one.
Oh, bugger. We don't need the smoker.
Smoke.
3, 2, 1.
You all good?
Yeah.
So without having the sticks, he's automatically more stable, is it?
Really?
Yeah. He's significantly better.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Just something minor like that, we didn't see. Very good. That was a great
You
improvement.
can also do the
What?
up and down there on the different feet.
What?
Yeah,
Which one?
there's a different one you can do, like, up and down.
I think
Oh, it's also like half and half.
Which one?
Yeah, like half and half. So down the bottom of it, a different seat.
Oh, yeah.
Just, and then you can go again. And that way they can see it.
Split's good. Isn't it?
Yeah.
and see the man.
We'll get it.
Yeah, I think so. Yep.
Everything's still working? Yep.
So everything's kind of working. It's not like in the heat though, I don't think. Okay.
Okay, we've got a comment now.
Huh? Oh, did I? Okay. Oh, Happy RC says, I just post the Foam Fly Guy link to the community post page. Yeah, man, sweet. Hope I did that right. Feel free to delete it if I posted it wrong. I'm sure you wouldn't. We'll check it out after this live stream. Wow, that's bright. Look at that. Can't even see my face. No, nice.
Okay,
Very cool. Awesome. Nice. Okay. Cool. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try again. Okay, so this way, but automatically, with Robert's help, it's significantly made it more streamlined. It's before we had to kind of fight it to keep it going straight. So there you go. That using the feet as rudders, smart, very smart.
Smart. And also, it requires less weight.
That's a little bit better. So you see a bit better. Okay, so that's a left. It's going around, and the other way. There you go, right. So it's coming around. That's good. Yeah, significantly better.
Wow,
What an improvement. Nice. Already getting there.
Aircraft.
It's a different aircraft right there.
What do they call it? Like a different, we should add the smoke. Oh, it's all everywhere. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, one more. Yeah. I'll turn it on then. I always like adding smoke.
Okay, cool.
Okay,
Awesome. There you go. You should be able to hear us and jump over to the the horizontal live stream. So yeah, there you go. There. Twin Otter. Wow, that's pretty big. They had
That's
vertical.
massive.
That's pretty big. Like how big? That's
Yeah,
like
that's a monster.
that's like the length of this wind tunnel.
Yeah.
That's massive. Twin Otter, sweet. They had vertical stabilizer on the elevator. One was bent, and I noticed that's what caused it to adverse yaw. Yaw. Yeah, nice. Yeah, no, that's yeah, very cool. And thanks for helping. Happy RC says that's really cool to see the tunnel in action. Yeah, I think it's quite cool to share it with you guys. It's quite pleased how it's come out.
right.
And one of those things, not necessarily scientific to add that, but that is very consistent with what indoor wingsuiters do. Do we know any indoor wingsuiters?
We do talk with Peter Salzman sometimes on Instagram.
Yeah, he's done a bit of that, but also we talk. We were talking to the indoor wingsuiting guys in Stockholm. Is that Sweden? I think it's Sweden.
Yeah, I think the Sweden ones. Yeah.
Yeah, the Swedish dudes, and we're just getting the way that they were doing the big full scale, because there's not too many indoor wing suiting places to work out in the world. So it was very nice to talk to them. Yeah, and they kind of gave us a little bit of how it was done at the big scale. Of course, it's different in small scale like this, but that's to add the ramp in there is kind of a what do we call that? Like a
Well, it acts like a buffer, doesn't it?
it does act like a buffer, like a hill.
It wouldn't help too much, but it does hit. You can see it in the smoke. It goes down and hits and goes up.
Yeah.
Which is
It adds a bit more lift. And it just looks cool. Yeah.
Keep
It
it
looks everything.
Do you want to try again? I got the smoke ready.
Yeah, we can do
Might as well do that, eh?
Yeah, you want
Okay, so turn the transmitter on.
Okay.
You see that thing dropping?
What's that?
The OBS drop. And came back on. Yeah.
Okay. So hopefully you guys can still see us and hear us. Yeah, that's good. Oh, yep, Robert says it causes that updraft. Yes, absolutely. Okay, so we've got that on.
Okay, we'll go again and we'll add the smoke.
Yeah.
That's what everyone wants to see.
That's what a lot of people want to see, man.
That's what I want to see. It's what I want to see.
Maybe it's just me. Yeah, maybe we're just entertaining ourselves in this live stream, but no, I quite like it. It causes the updraft from the slope. Yeah, absolutely, yeah. Okay, it's in there. And also, it looks cool. So there you go, Richard just popped it in there if you missed that. But yes, that's kind of an interesting one.
All good?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so they can see the. Yep, they can see everything. All right.
Yep. Down
Out of the
to the right, to the left. Because next week on Tuesday we are working on the Mark 1. So there you go.
That's right, in the wind tunnel.
In the wind tunnel. So that's why we're
Done
updating
quite a lot of wind tunnel testing as of late.
this week, and we use this is very key to our
Keeping it as close to correct as
was
possible.
when we did the first wind tunnel test.
Yeah.
And to get this alone, I can tell you that it wasn't that easy. But we got it. There you go. But we got it. There you go. The kind of effort went in to get that. So there you go. And 19 vlogs is hey. There you go. Okay, so we'll go and start this. And 19 vlogs is hey. There you go. Okay, so we'll go and start this test up. And we'll give you a wind gauge reading to be able to hear me on audio. And Richard, after that, we'll turn the smoke on so you can see.
Yeah.
See the smoke.
Yeah.
See the smoke, y'all. Okay.
So do we need to actually do any upgrades here? Because you kind of want to keep...
The only thing I wanted to add was maybe a little bit more foil, because the foil is quite symmetrical, and I kind of wanted a bit more lift on that, so I was going to put a bit more on top. What do you guys think? Or should we just keep the foil the same? Leave your comments below. Okay, so I'll go and do this. Turn this on.
Okay. It's amazing. It's amazing how warm it is.
It's very warm.
Okay, firing up. Ready?
Yeah, ready? What was the actual speed? 16.5.
12.6 kilometers per hour, 16.5, and then 22.5.
Okay, cool. Go for it.
Okay, so we're going to do like what? Try aim for 16.5 kilometers an hour? Yeah.
Yeah.
So medium range. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. What's it at, Harry? What's it at, Harry? Okay, that's 10 kilometers an hour. There. Okay, there's 28. Come down to it. Come down to 27, 26. Okay, that's 20. Right, I haven't touched the stick. Sticks are still here, haven't done anything. How fast was the wind? It was 21 on YouTube. Okay, cool, ready? Yeah. Okay, smoke. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you can see it hitting the thing underneath. Okay? Yeah, all good. Okay, so that's me and steering. Yeah, nice. So yeah, you can see everything okay. Yeah, that's cool. Nice stuff. Good stuff, man. I'll go and unplug it. Yeah, that's the sensible thing to do. Safety first, right? Yeah. Yeah. Do we need to smoke at the moment? I can turn it off then. Yeah. Okay, so there you go. That's what's been happening. And what's the question? Design, did we... What do you think? Hang on. Maybe you guys could judge that one. Okay, so this is me. Like that. Yeah.
I turned it off, it's fun.
Yeah.
There you go, so that's him there. What
So
would you say?
like a third?
My head, there you go, we'll measure it from the head.
There you go.
What would you say?
Like a third?
Yeah. Maybe a third scale, I'm not sure. But whatever it is. Robert says if he was a third, that's like 69 miles an hour. Oh, that's how fast he's going. Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Happy LC says 1/3. That's what we were thinking, but I could be wrong. Or a half compared to the Mark 2 and 1.
Okay.
I'll bring them up. Yeah. So it's significantly larger, and that's the reason why we wanted it that way. So that was the improvement, and also adding the propeller. There you can see. That's right, because the other that we just did.
And yeah, thanks Robert.
Yeah, thanks
all
Robert.
the credit goes to him. So it's
And-
like hashtag Robert.
Hashtag Robert. So that's good. And what else did we want to add to this, Richard?
You wanted to add a little bit more, I don't know, it looked pretty scaled to your side. Good call.
Oh, what?
What?
1-to-1, you reckon?
1-to-1.
Yeah, so anyway, the idea was that I was going to add, I mean, we can put it on there temporarily and see if that has an effect. Because when we were watching the, when we were doing the test, we could see that, in the episode that is, we could definitely see that there wasn't actually that much.
So what was happening? Up, no, down, no, nothing.
Yeah.
Whereas on the top surface,
Great.
clearly having
Great.
a massive lift effect.
I think we were getting up to like, was it 9? So 3 newtons of force? It was quite a bit.
It's quite a bit, yeah.
I'm not sure. I don't have the stats right beside me, but it was significant to think that the man himself is quite a good glider. Oh, here you go. Look at this. What's it say?
Top one. Top shot.
Oh yeah. So it was up to like 39 grams generated at one point. So that's yeah. So we'll be testing kind of what we were thinking as well. We could just kind of stick it on there. If we like it, we can keep it or take it off.
Okay, so like a temporary one, and then sort of hot glue it in.
Hot glue it there. If we like it, we can keep it or take it off.
Okay, so like a temporary one, and then sort of hot glue it in.
Hot glue it temporarily, and if we like the upgrade, we can keep it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe just like an edge in it.
Kind of like just a little bevel edge on the top is what I was thinking. Just to add a little bit more lift. There you go. A bit more lift. Yeah. Yes. Even though that the guy himself, the guy himself has plenty of lift to go around. We want to add more.
Can never be too much.
Can never be too much.
Okay, so what's the deal? You're going to put it on the top or the bottom or what?
I was thinking just like a leading edge across the top.
Okay, I'm going to get a long ruler. So that's it was using it was on the 4G and it came back.
Oh, okay. There you go. So there you go. We're working at the moment. Okay, so we're just going to go and grab that and then we'll get into it. What's it say? Robert says I would get a guide wire and put 2 hooks through it and let it go down. Oh, like down the cable and let it go down along the cable. Is that what you mean? I think that's what you mean. You put 2 hooks through it and let it go down along the cable. I think what you're meaning is put like a hook here, like say one here and one here perhaps, and then go down the. Your phone, that one's not going just too long. Your phone, that one's not going just too long. Yes. I think that might be what you're thinking. Just throw it on the episode retailer, haven't we? On the episode retailer, haven't we? And that did prove that it did have lift quite good.
Yeah. Yeah. So what are you going to do?
Well, I was just thinking about putting a little bit more on.
Okay, just
and then put it on permanently, maybe just a bit of tape or something. And then see if that fits. Yes, that's what it's meaning. It's like a zip line. Sorry. Yes.
Zip line.
Zip. What do we need? We need a ruler. I'll get a block of wood. I'll just be outside the frame in a second. What do we need? One of these. Yeah, just a block of wood. But yes, no, it's coming along. So maybe this little
That'd be cool.
yeah, why not? There you go. Good advice. You can add the smoke.
Oh, because then you can do like they do on with the WINGSUIT tunnel. You know when the wingsuits they come and they go through the tunnel.
Oh, okay. So take the propeller out of the way, or do you time it so the propeller's going and then? no, you got to shoot through it that way. Yeah.
You take the prop off and then just go through the tunnel.
There you go.
Or you could just fly through it real if you could.
That's good. There you go. Some ideas. Yes, there you go. Okay, so just turn that a little bit.
This one here, do you think?
And change the channel.
Change the channel. Maybe just go to
External. Up top. Yeah. Up top.
Maybe just thinking that one. That one. There you go. That way it's a larger picture.
Oh yeah. That's a good idea. Okay, so there you go. So we're gonna go on. We're gonna a little
test strip.
Yep. Do you want like a little bit of cardboard? I'm just gonna do it straight on the real one.
Well, if it's real, then you can just keep it.
Yeah, no, but I mean, do you want to make it out of cardboard, template it, and then cut it on the lip this one, or what's easiest for you?
We can hold that. I'll see my girls.
Oh, I know. That's what we're getting there.
Yeah, it's like Harry was saying. There's a lot of heat, but it's cooling down at the moment. So not so much heat now. So that was playing havoc with the stream system that we've got going. So yeah. So thanks very much for everybody for tuning in on this live stream. Yeah. hopefully everything's working. So just give us a thumbs up so we can see if everything's working still. So it was sort of dropping in and out a bit there previously, but so far so good, I think. Yeah, so Harry's going to grab some cardboard, I think, and we're just going to make a little bevel edge just to see if that is because that suggestion from Robert is absolutely gold. Absolutely gold.
Okay.
Robert says, put the string system in the wind tunnel, cool it down.
Yeah, they've been blasted away. You never see it again. Or chopped off. But yes, good cooling system. Okay, what do you reckon? It's cut off a bit.
Yeah, I got some. How long are you going to make it?
Oh, I don't know, just a little bit. We'll see if this idea works. It might not need any more upgrading. You know.
Well, let's say if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
That's the one.
That's how long it needs to be.
Yeah. How far does it go?
That will go from there to there.
Right.
Sure. Okay.
Got a pencil?
Yep.
We'll just,
So you're just going to make it up as you go along?
yeah, just wing it.
You just kind of wing it, people. So is that mathematical?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, mathematical winging.
Mathematical winging it. Are you going to roll it on the top and the bottom, or are you going to?
I'm just going to do an asymmetric one, just the top one.